Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll continue my code from here, where I define defined some conditions and we incremented the words array. Also, now what I'll do here is I'll use the else if tens digit is equals to 0. What we have to do, if the 10 digits is equal to sorry 1, what we have to do is, if the 10 digit is equal words plus equals to twos, wait, tens digit plus ones digit mod of, this is a formula that we have to write, that we have to know for converting the tens digit minus 1. So now this is we are saying that for 10 digit, if the 10 digits is equals to 1, so we will write it as we will use this formula to write the tens digit. Now what we have to do is else if same, copy it, if the tens digit is equals to 0, what we have to do is words plus equals to ones, like the all the digits are which digits we defined here, that are at index number 1. So index number 1, yes. So now we are defining here that for all, if the 10 digits contain only zeros, so what will happen, what is equals to ones into ones digit. Okay, now what we will say that, now we will give some conditions with some, like, string methods. I already discussed the string methods in my previous video, which is like compare, copy, ends with. Now we are giving some conditions here. If words dot ends with 0, because we defined 0 as a 0 integer, so we'll say that what will happen, words is equals to, sorry, words is equals to words we will give the length of 0 here. Okay, we are just saying that if the words ends with zeros, zeros followed by 1, like tens or all this, wait, length. So we are saying that if words end with 0, so define the words with length of all zeros. Otherwise we will say else words will contain nothing. Now we are saying that if length of words is, like, length of words is not equal to 0, means that words contain some digits or words can have some numbers. So words plus equals to suffixes suffixes, wait, suff, okay. So now if we are saying that if the word's length is not equal to 0, then add the suffixes at the index of suffix and return the, and what, return words. Now I'm going to make another method for the conversion of words. We are just defining, like, before conversion we need to tell the compiler, or we need to tell the code that this must contain some digits, and how we convert numbers to digit, how the words contain numbers, integers at this index. So we just define the indexes, and we just define the, like, how many numbers will be there in tens and all this. Okay, now we are defining the method, sorry, convert to words, and it will contain parameter number. Okay, I'm saying that length is equals to length of string of this number. So if no, is there any mistake? Probably no. If length is greater than, I already said that I'm just defining, like, I'm just defining writing this code till the writing this code that support the numbers with maximum of 12 digits. It's up to you how many digits you want to support. Return this program supports a maximum of 12 digit numbers. Now what we have to do is we'll define the count variable, which will say count is equals to length. This is a formula, okay? Length up to 3 if length %3 is equals to 0, else return the length 3 plus 1. Return the length 3 plus, we are saying that count is equals to length equals to 3. If we, like, we divide the length into 3 and its result is 0, otherwise else return length will be equal to 3 plus 1. So we are saying that copy count, sorry, copy is equals to count. Copy is equals to count, and words is equals to array. So we are just saying that the we are just we just said that if for conversion we just define the length which will contain the number of a string of the number, whole number, because we are defining the we are converting the integer into a string. So we are just defining the length, and we are saying that if length is greater than 12, if the digit exceeds 12 digits, so the return us this statement that says that this program supports a maximum of 12. Otherwise it will count the, we are defining a count variable which is saying that length is equal to 3, and if we do the modulus of length, it will return us the remainder 0. Otherwise length will be increment 3 plus 1. And we are saying that this we are just copying, as we use the copy method, which is used to, like, copy the above string or list or method. So we are just using copy here, and we are defining the words of an array.